The day begins. The first light of dawn breaks through the horizon, casting a gentle glow over the city. The world stirs from its slumber, and a new chapter unfolds. A new rhythm takes hold. The sound of alarm clocks fills the air, signaling the start of another day. People rise from their beds, shaking off the remnants of sleep. Like a familiar melody, it pulls us from slumber. It whispers of possibilities. The morning light dances on the bed, inviting us to embrace the day ahead. It is a dance as old as time. Each movement, each step, is part of a timeless choreography. We follow the rhythm, guided by the routines that shape our mornings. Each day, we awaken to this silent invitation, the invitation to live, to experience, to create. It is a call to action, a reminder that each day is a new opportunity. Our lives are a tapestry of moments. Each thread, each interaction, weaves together to form the fabric of our existence. These moments, though seemingly ordinary, are the building blocks of our lives. These moments are strung together by routine. The simple act of making coffee, brushing our teeth, these are the rituals that ground us. They provide a sense of stability in an ever-changing world. We find comfort in the familiar, the morning paper, the shared breakfast with family. These are the moments that bring us together. They remind us of the connections we share. There is beauty in the ordinary, the quiet moments, the simple pleasures. These are the things that make life meaningful. A cup of coffee, a walk with the dog, these are the moments that bring joy. The sun rises, painting the sky with hues of hope. Each sunrise is a promise, a reminder that no matter what happened yesterday, today is a new day. A day filled with potential and promise. It signals a fresh start. The act of opening the curtains, letting the sunlight flood in, is a symbolic gesture. It is a way of welcoming the new day, of embracing the possibilities it holds. A new verse in the song of our lives. Each day is a new verse, a new opportunity to add to the story of our lives. It is a chance to reflect, to plan, to dream. Each day is a gift, a precious gift that we unwrap with anticipation. The smiles, the laughter, the shared moments, these are the things that make life worth living. We unwrap it with anticipation. The act of stretching, of opening the window to let in the morning light, is a way of embracing the day. It is a way of saying yes to the possibilities, to the opportunities that lie ahead. The first light of dawn stretches across the city, painting the skyline with hues of gold and pink. The city awakens slowly, as if shaking off the remnants of dreams. It peeks through curtains, a gentle nudge that whispers, "It's time to rise." The soft glow of morning light fills the room, casting a warm, inviting glow. The world outside is still slumbering, wrapped in the tranquility of early morning. Streets are empty, neighborhoods are peaceful, and the city holds its breath in anticipation of the day. But inside, a new day is dawning. The first stirrings of life begin as we wake, stretch, and greet the morning light. It's a moment of quiet reflection, a pause before the day begins. The aroma of coffee fills the air, a familiar and comforting scent that signals the start of our daily rituals. The sound of coffee brewing is like a morning symphony, each drip a note in the melody of our routine. It is a sensory symphony, a blend of sights, sounds, and smells that awaken our senses. The steam rising from the cup, the warmth in our hands, the rich, bold flavor. It's a moment of pure, simple pleasure. The clinking of mugs, a comforting rhythm that echoes the heartbeat of the morning. We move with purpose, each action deliberate and meaningful. Sharing a cup of coffee becomes a ritual, a moment of connection. Our morning rituals, a sacred dance that prepares us for the day ahead. Brushing teeth, making breakfast, each task a step in the choreography of our lives. We stretch, we yawn, we breathe deeply, filling our lungs with the fresh morning air. It's a moment to center ourselves, to find our balance before stepping into the world. We prepare for the day ahead, choosing our clothes, packing our bags, putting on our shoes. Each action is a step towards the day, a part of the ritual that grounds us. Each action is a step, a deliberate movement in the dance of the morning. Buttoning a shirt, tying shoelaces, combing hair. These small acts are the building blocks of our day. We are the dancers, and life is our stage. As we step out into the world, we join the bustling crowd, each of us playing our part in the grand performance of life. The city comes alive with energy and purpose, and we move forward, ready to embrace the day. The city awakens slowly at first. A symphony of sounds begins. Cars honk, engines roar, voices mingle. The tempo increases. People pour into the streets. They move with purpose, their faces a mix of emotions: hope, ambition, determination. The city is a living, breathing entity. We are each a part of this intricate ballet. Our steps may seem small, but together they create something vast. We are connected, each to the other. The workday begins. We immerse ourselves in our tasks. Fingers fly across keyboards. Meetings fill conference rooms. The rhythm of work is steady, demanding. But even in the midst of routine, there is beauty. The satisfaction of a job well done. The camaraderie of colleagues. We find purpose in our work. We are building, creating, contributing. We are part of something larger than ourselves. Our work, too, is a dance of dedication, skill, and perseverance. Section 5. A moment of respite. The day rushes on, but then a pause, a stolen moment of respite. We break bread, share stories, laughter fills the air, a welcome release. We connect with colleagues, friends. We share our hopes, our dreams, our fears. In these moments, we find solace. These connections sustain us. They remind us that we are not alone. We are part of a community, a tribe. Our hearts beat in unison. Section 6. The fabric of connection. As the day winds down, we return to our loved ones. We are greeted with warm embraces, loving smiles. These are the moments we cherish. We share stories of our day. We listen with open hearts. We offer comfort, support, encouragement. Love is the strongest bond. These connections are the fabric of our lives. They give us strength, purpose, and joy. We are woven together by love. Section 7. Nature's embrace. As dusk settles, we seek solace in nature's embrace. We walk beneath the trees, breathe in the fresh air. The world is bathed in a soft golden light. The sounds of the city fade into the background. We are surrounded by the gentle symphony of nature. Birdsong, rustling leaves, the whisper of the wind. In nature's presence, we find peace. Our worries melt away. We are reminded of the beauty that surrounds us. Section 8. Twilight's embrace. Twilight deepens, painting the sky in hues of purple and blue. The stars begin to twinkle, a celestial dance. The day is coming to a close. We retreat to our homes, our sanctuaries. We prepare for rest, for rejuvenation. The rhythm of the day slows. We reflect on the day gone by, the moments that made us smile, the challenges we faced. We are grateful for the gift of another day. Section 9. Dancing into dreams. As the day draws to a close, we find ourselves preparing for the nightly ritual of rest. The soft glow of the moonlight filters through the window, casting a serene ambiance in the room. We turn off the bedside lamp, signaling the end of our waking hours. We close our eyes, surrendering to sleep's embrace. The world outside fades away, and we retreat into the sanctuary of our minds. The gentle darkness envelops us, providing a canvas for our dreams to unfold. The rhythm of our breathing slows. Each breath becomes a soothing lullaby, guiding us deeper into the realm of sleep. Our bodies relax, releasing the tensions of the day, and we drift into a state of tranquility. Our minds drift, carried away on a tide of dreams. In this ethereal space, we are free to explore the vast landscapes of our imagination. We become travelers in a world where anything is possible, where the boundaries of reality are blurred. The dance continues, even in slumber. Our bodies may be still, but our minds are alive with activity. We move through dreamscapes, encountering familiar faces and strange places, weaving intricate stories in the fabric of our subconscious. Our subconscious takes over, weaving stories in the darkness. It is a master storyteller, drawing from our memories, desires, and fears to create vivid narratives. These dreams can be a source of insight, inspiration, or simply a way to process the events of our waking life. We are never truly still. Even in the depths of sleep, our bodies respond to the ebb and flow of our dreams. A twitch of a finger, a shift in position, a murmur in the night. These are the subtle signs of our ongoing dance. And so, the cycle continues. As dawn approaches, we begin to stir. The first light of day gently nudges us awake, and we transition from the world of dreams back to the reality of our daily lives. We stretch, yawn, and slowly rise, ready to embrace a new day. From dawn till dusk, we move through our days. Each morning brings a fresh start, a chance to engage with the world around us. We open the curtains, letting in the light, and step into the rhythm of our daily routines. We are dancers in the grand ballet of life. Our movements, interactions, and experiences are all part of a larger choreography. We navigate through busy streets, connect with others in parks, and share moments of joy with family and friends. Each day, a new opportunity to embrace the rhythm, to find joy in the ordinary. Whether we are working, pursuing hobbies, or simply going about our daily tasks, there is beauty to be found in the routine. To find joy in the ordinary, to appreciate the small moments that make up our days. A smile while cooking, a sense of satisfaction from completing a chore. These are the simple pleasures that enrich our lives. To celebrate the extraordinary gift of being alive. As the day comes to an end, we take a moment to reflect on the beauty around us. Whether it's a stunning sunset, a celebration with friends, or a quiet moment in nature, we are reminded of the preciousness of life. And so, we prepare to dance into dreams once more, ready to embrace the night and the promise of a new day.